This is Carmine chewing a hole in my blanket. Hey, Carmine? That's right. My blanket didn't have a hole last night when I went to bed. But now, my blanket has a hole. And Carmine is chewing the strings on my blanket. See the hole? See the hole? There's the hole. And there's a string. And Carmine is chewing it. Aren't you, kitty kitty? Carmine. I know, I'm interrupting you while you're chewing a hole in my blanket. Oh, now you decide to look cute, huh? Did you decide to look all cute and pose for the camera? Oh, kitty, 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 kitty. You're such a fluffy baby. Hmm? Oh, such a cutie. Even if you are chewing a hole in my blanket. You chewed a hole in my blanket. You chewed a hole in my blanket, Carmine. I'm glad you've made yourself right at home. But please stop chewing holes in my blanket. Laying there all cute and cuddly makes, me not mad, but I know that you chewed the hole in my blanket because I caught you doing it. And I know that when I went to sleep last night, there was no hole in my blanket. But there is now. And you did it. You did it. Carmine, you're such a cutie. Bye, Carmine.